Hello. Today I wanted to show some of the bugs I was hunting yesterday. I did not make a full uh, video about them because they were a bit nitpicky. Like this one, for example, the generator was miscalculating the crate position difference, which is the indication I use in the solutions of how many crates are moving in a given step. Let me show you. In this situation, for example, after the fix, I fixed the problem was related to the way I sort the crates in the generator. And I found a way to better calculate that difference. For example, if you see this solution, the solution gives the direction and the number of crates that moved in that step. In this case, the L1 is left and one crate moved. Then we have a right and one crate move because it fell, and so on, left one, etc. In this situation, for example, if we let me press down here, this step, this one, yeah. Then we move up and one crate moves, then we move left. And watch what happens. If we move left here, in reality the 3 crates are moving, but the generator sees this change in information, like if only 2 crates move, this one and this one, because if I make undo, in this position there is a crate. And after the move, in that position, there is still a crate of the same type. So the generator counts only this and this as differences. The difference in crate positions is useful to compute the complexity of the solutions and other things, the similarity, etc. So I fixed the bug and I ended up with a better estimate of the difference, because it is true that 3 crates are moving here, but in the information sense, which is what matters to me when sorting levels, it's very different to say that 3 boxes move or only 2. So that was one of the bugs. The other one was interesting, and was this one. This situation, the game was not. Let me show you first one. Let's see, one example where this is more clear. In this situation, for example, when we are holding a crate and we fall inside a bone crate, first of all, if we move without holding the crate above, we enter the bone crate. But if we are holding it, we push. This I implemented this way because it's more natural for me, because obviously the arms of the player are pressing the bone structure of the crate. So I thought it would be more picturesque or more cute that the robot pushes the box in that situation and not in this situation. But the problem was that I was not controlling this situation. this is fixed now, but in the situation of this bug, if I moved right here, the player moved and the bone crate remained there. So that's a very tricky to figure out the solution, because I had to modify the several collision places in the code. And the last bug I wanted to show was this one. In this situation, which is this one, let me show you. If we moved right here, we did not fall. But I fixed it, and it was interestingly, it was this fix, the fix for this situation, sorry, the fix for the previous bug was the one that caused this bug, because obviously I was not distinguishing, I was not considering the vertical direction when I was holding something. So in this situation, the generator regarded the gravity as a normal push instead of entering the bone box. And there is this one. This bug was a bit complicated. It's a bit complicated to show now because it's fixed, but there were situations in which, well, indeed, there were some situations similar to this one, in which this only happened. Imagine that this radiation box is instead of a glue box. In the situation of the glue box, I was holding the glue box, so the glue box was pushing the skeletal crate, and I also was pushing the skeletal crate. So the skeletal crate moved twice instead of once with the player, and that was an interesting bug to solve. But the fixing was a bit boring, so I did not make a video about that. But I wanted to show the kind of bugs that are introduced when you introduce a new kind of crate, because this crate, the main difference with the normal crates is that this crate can share the position with the player, which none of the other crates can do. So that was a very interesting source of bugs, so to speak. Okay, I think I want to do, besides showing these bugs, I wanted to do, let me see, yeah, this this I wanted to do today, because testing yesterday, testing situations with the radiation crates, like this one, for example. If I press left here, the crates begin, as you notice, the crate begin to radiate before falling, and I want to delay that. So let's do it. Let me see. In the list of effects, this is similar to the animation of the floating or of the arms. So let's Let's duplicate this one. Let's rename it radiation effect. Let's see, X checks for explosions. Yeah, we need to know which one, which crates are exploding. I think I could add parameters to the effect to show the. Yeah, this will be only called to activate them. So this boolean is not necessary, I think. But we need the crate. Let's see. We have this. This is crate.name. And once we have this radiation effect, we can add it. Let's see. In this function, we can add. Let's see. The order of execution should be after. Yeah, we should. Add one to the current stage. And let's see, the parameters are the stage, the thing, the thing, we don't need the thing for this one. Let's see, yeah. C1 and one for C2. And let's see if it works. Let's search. Okay, seems to work. Let's do the movement more slowly. Only to check. Yeah, it works. Nice progress. So I will end the video here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the videos with people that could learn something about programming or Godot or game design, etc. Thanks.